Today, we're in Fairbanks, Alaska, and this Airbnb might just be the coolest place we've ever stayed. But before we show you guys the inside, we've got a full day of exploring ahead of us. As we drove up from Anchorage last night, I asked my local foodie friend for the 10 best places to eat here in Fairbanks. We're gonna test all of them out while re-ranking them into our own top 10 list. And we're heading to the first place right now. Now that's actually kind of a lie because we did stop at one spot way early this morning called The Bite. Hi. What's your most popular toast?
The bulgogi sausage toast.
You guys have no idea how happy I am that Emily, aka Fairbanks Foodie, included a Korean spot on her list. We've got our little buzzer and we'll see how it tastes. I was really hoping it was gonna buzz right there.
It's beeping! I gotta go get it. I get first bite.
You do, you're special. You forgot to tell them what else did they put in the bag.
I'll show them. Chocolates! 2 of them too. It looks so like pretty, I don't want to eat it. Oh, that is very, very flavorful. I'm sorry, Deborah, but I think this is even better than the one thing for you.
What?
It's very flavorful, a little tangy.
So we've got some layers here. Obviously we have our toast and then we have cabbage, bulgogi, like an egg with veggies inside of it, almost like an omelet, and then a special sauce. Oh, it is good. It's savory with a hint of sweet. There's a really good balance. I wish we weren't eating so much today so I could try another one. I'm usually really picky about Korean food too, but they did a really good job, I think. GR's Empanada House is our second stop. I was wondering which one's your most popular?
Definitely original or Diablo. So those are the Bolivian traditional dishes. They have chicken and beef, potatoes, Bolivian herbs and spices, but we add serrano pepper to the Diablo for a little bit of spice.
We decided to get 3 different kinds of empanadas. So we got the original, the Diablo, and then I was kind of craving something sweet, so we got the tres leches. Also comes with their cilantro crema sauce, and I got myself a berry lemonade, which she already let me taste test it, and it was amazing.
That is delicious empanada. It's very savory, which I like savory, and it has a little spice. And lately I like a lot of spice, so I would say that's really good empanada.
I'm a little too scared to try the Diablo, so I'm trying the original. I have a really thick kind of bread, and I really like their sauce because it gives it a really fresh feel, and it's a really nice contrast with the insides. I will say, because they're minis, they're a bit breadier, but they were delicious. The real question is, does Bite stay in our top spot, or does this take our #1 spot?
Bite.
I honestly would rank them the same, but since you said higher, we're gonna leave Bite in #1.
All right.
But this one was so good.
It was.
So good.
For sure, #2.
Yeah. Stop number 3 is Little Owl Cafe. Apparently they have the best lattes here in Fairbanks.
I'm excited for coffee. I haven't had my coffee yet. It's like noon.
Can I just do an iced vanilla latte?
And did you have any milk preference or
Anything's fine. We only got 2 coffees, but they have a ton of really tasty looking desserts too. What'd you get, Tyler?
I don't know, actually. A mocha breve?
Breve?
Breve? It's actually really good.
According to Tyler, who's been drinking coffee way longer than me, it's good. It does taste really good, actually,
Yeah.
so maybe it is the best latte here in Fairbanks.
What do you rank this?
I was gonna say, this is hard because it's not really food. We didn't try any of their pastries.
Right now I have to put it 3rd just because it's coffee.
I was thinking 3 too. I feel bad. It's really good, but it's hard to rank it against food. All right, our next stop is actually going to be a surprise until later tonight. I had messaged them earlier this week because last week they sold out in 30 minutes and they just opened 15 minutes ago.
I got the goods.
We got the goods. We're not telling you guys what it is, but we're gonna see later.
They look so good, we had to get 2.
The plan is to hopefully get those in the freezer, and then we're gonna head to our actual sit-down lunch for the day. 5th stop today on our little food tour is Lat 65. It's actually at Borealis Base Camp, which is the super popular igloo domes that are famous here for aurora viewing. And it's located inside one of their yurts, so we're gonna go check it out.
I'm gonna do the banh mi.
Nice.
We're gonna get a mac and cheese.
No mac and cheese.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We ended up ordering the banh mi and the mac and cheese, which requires a little bit of a backstory. So even though we started our adventures today, we actually stopped at 2 restaurants last night when we got into Fairbanks. One was Lemongrass Thai, which was absolutely amazing. I'll be honest, this is 30 minutes old because the spin class went on a little longer than I thought.
How'd it go?
My legs are so jello-y. The flavor's really good. Could use a little bit more spice.
It's a little bland for me.
That's what it needs, more spice. But did you like choose the not spicy version?
Yeah, I did choose the not spicy. So maybe that's my fault.
So we're gonna add lemongrass Thai into spot number 3. And we also stop at Frozen Smoke Barbecue and Lat 65 Brewery, which are basically housed in the same spot. We got some mac and cheese there last night. Didn't really fulfill my cravings, so I got it again today.
I got the New Sun IPA, and then we ordered the brisket over mac.
And I got their hibiscus kombucha.
The brisket is a little chewy, but the flavor is really good. But I feel like the brisket could be a little more like fall apart.
I can see what Tyler said about the chewy, but the flavor is good. Just feels a little dried out.
Yeah.
They are going in at spot number 5, and we'll see where Lat 65 restaurant falls in on our list.
This is delicious. It's so tasty.
Tyler gave me a bite. It's like crispy and sweet and delicious.
And it has gochujang, which is like my favorite sauce.
And the bread is soft. It's essentially the mac and cheese I was craving yesterday and didn't get. It's amazing. It's creamy, it's thick, it's cheesy. I could have done without the onions, but otherwise, peak mac and cheese. Where does this fall on the list, Tyler? 3, 2.
Not in the restaurant in fully front desk.
Number 1.
Yeah, it's really good. We had to end on a sweet note. We got their little brownie dessert sprinkled with pistachios, got some chocolate drizzle and some ice cream. It's absolutely adorable. I feel bad messing it up.
Delicious. Is there food?
It's so good. The brownie is warm and gooey. And the ice cream is just like perfectly starting to melt. If it wasn't already in our number 1 spot, this dessert would put it in our number 1 spot.
Definitely.
Looks like there's some snow coming.
Yeah, that's definitely some snow coming.
The 40-minute drive back was absolutely magical. I think there's a bit of a snowstorm coming in, so the views were amazing. Felt like we were in a snow globe, and who doesn't love that? But now that we're back at the house, I thought I would give you guys a full house tour. First things first, love the door knocker. When you come into the gigantic kind of main living quarters. We have this beautiful sunken living room down here. There's some awesome purple shag carpet. And you'll notice that the interior siding, I guess you would call it, is actually the same as the outside, which I thought was pretty unique. If you head out through this door, that brings you to the hot tub and the igloo, aka the Aurora Dome, which we haven't used yet, but it looks amazing. As you continue further in, nice warm fireplace. We've got this huge dining room table here. It fits 6 people, so you could definitely have some friends over. And on the other side of the dining room table, 1 upstairs bedroom and another sunken downstairs bedroom. If you go down this hallway, we have our first bathroom. Coming from that hallway, we continue into the kitchen. Obviously, we haven't used the kitchen at all, but there's some really nice bar stools, a nice little counter space if you have any work to do. If you keep going down this hallway, there's actually 1, 2 more bedrooms and an extra bathroom. At the very end of the hallway, behind this door, is actually the coolest part of the house. But before we show you that, there's something we need to do first.
Hot tub!
Oh my god, my feet are so cold.
Are you good?
So good.
Feels good.
That is so nice. It is finally time to show you guys what's behind this door. Dun 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 dun! This is the game room. Hands down the coolest game room setup I've ever seen. These are legit joysticks and they actually work. They're coming for you.
Yeah, they are. Oh! Ah! Good game.
Oh, good game.
Good game. You won.
2 out of 3. Anyways, they have all kinds of games on here. Super fun. Did not make it as far as I would like in my book, but Tyler just came in, told me he has the bonfire set up for us outside. So we're gonna have some s'mores, enjoy that, and see how long I can last out there in the snow.
I made a s'more stick.
Oh, good job. Oh, it's cute. Tyler's decided to stay out for a little bit longer. My fingers are freezing, which is crazy because it's only October here in Fairbanks. So I'm gonna head back inside, get all cozy and warm again. Tyler and I are heading out for the final time today. It's already starting to get dark, which is wild because it's not even 6 o'clock yet. We're actually heading off to a friend's birthday dinner. So we'll see you guys when we get back. Welcome back. Oh my gosh, it's so echoey in here.
We're in like a disco ball.
We are back home after our amazing dinner tonight. It is a friend of ours that made it into the top 10 of MasterChef. It would have been in the #1 spot, obviously, but we're not counting it. We have our little surprise from earlier that we thought would be so fun and cute to try in the Aurora Dome.
Drum roll.
That's Tyler's drum roll. This is our 7th try here in Fairbanks, and
You guys have to vote. Whose drum roll is better?
the stop number 7 was Sassy Scoops.
We have brownie batter with vanilla dipped in chocolate and sprinkles. We have brownie batter with caramel ice cream dipped in chocolate and Oreos. Then we have pumpkin spice dipped in white chocolate and Biscoff.
They have an ice cream taco.
They are gigantic. I'm gonna show you guys close up. So this is the taco. Absolutely gigantic. Cheers.
Cheers. So good, but so cold.
So sweet.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I just got a mouthful of sugar.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I've ever had something that's sugary. This is what we have so far.
Mm-hmm.
Where would you think Sassy Scoops goes into that list?
I'm going with number 5.
Oh, shut up!
You too?
I was gonna say number 5!
Really?
Alright, spot number 5. Cheers to that.
Cheers.
We missed.
It's just a little really like sweet.
It's so sweet. It's so cute and pretty, but it's so sweet. So sweet. Our first stop today is the Pump House. This is arguably the most hyped up restaurant in all of Fairbanks. We actually tried to stop last time we were in Fairbanks, and turns out you need a reservation. So today we made a reservation. Turns out on Sundays during the morning hour, they have a buffet brunch. So far it's been pretty good. They have pretty much every option you can think of, and we'll give you a better overview once we're done eating. Overall, I hate to say it, but we were not super impressed with the Pump House. The food was okay, don't get me wrong. The biscuits and gravy were delicious, but the bacon wasn't crispy, the French toast was kind of hard. Plus, Tyler found a couple eggshells in his Eggs Benedict.
And if you guys know me, I love Eggs Benedict, so I was a little sad.
Tyler and I discussed it, and we decided to sneak in the Pump House at number 6 on our list. However, if you visit in the summer, you can enjoy their beautiful patio overlooking the river. And while we were at brunch, we learned some really bad news, which is the last place we were going to visit is closed on Sundays, which is a huge bummer because it's also Tyler's favorite restaurant in Fairbanks.
The Hungry Robot. It has the best pizza, like one of the best pizzas I've ever had. Luckily, we've been to the Hungry Robot before.
Multiple times.
Every time we've been to Fairbanks. We're gonna put it in spot number 4. They have some of the best pizzas, and they have a lot of different variety of pizzas.
And our very last restaurant we also don't get to go to. I feel like this is such a bummer and sad way to end this video, but we just don't have enough time to stop there before we head back to Anchorage. Our last spot is the Blue Roof Bistro. It's a really cute local restaurant. They really focus on serving fresh, local, organic ingredients. Luckily, we've also visited the Blue Roof Bistro multiple times in the past, and we can confidently put them in our number 5 spot. Now we head off to Anchorage. So thanks for watching. We hope to see you guys next time. Go check out one of our other Fairbanks videos and go subscribe. Bye!